Hi everyone, Jai Gurudev, welcome back. I'm Ila Pulekar and I'm going to take you through the 7th Chakra class in our Somatic Inspired Chakra Yoga series. Today is the Sahasra or the Crown Chakra. It is said to be located on the top, the crown of the head. To know more about chakras and how to heal the chakras, you can join our free WhatsApp community link which is given below. Let us rest into Vajrasan or any other asana that is more comfortable to you. Taking a few deep, gentle breaths here. Awareness on the crown chakra. This has to do with your connection to something greater, your ability to feel connected to the rest of the world, the universe, and your true sense of belongingness. This is suitable for all experience levels and you won't need any props. Place one palm on the chest and the other palm on the navel region. As we breathe in the first time, let us inhale and expand the chest and breathe out. Let's begin standing up. So really finding that connection here. We don't have a lot of yoga poses that truly connect to the crown of the head. But we are going to try to feel the energy flow upwards and then feel that energy ground back down. Give yourself a nice wide stance at this hip width apart. So inhale, feel the energy, lift up as you reach your arms up overhead and you can interlace your fingers and flip your palms up to really stretch and extend. Take a full breath in here. And the next time you exhale, we are going to fold all the way down from the hips into a ragdoll bend. Your knees soft, hold onto your elbows. Really let your head get heavy here. Maybe sway a little side to side, up and down. To connect with this crown chakra with a few affirmations. I am connected. I am divinely guided. All is well and I am safe. The next time you breathe in, you're going to push into your heels. Take your time to roll all the way up. Inhale, circle your arms. We are doing that same exact thing. Clasp your hands, flip the palms up. Stretch it out, lengthen fingers to toes. Add a little back bend here. Exhale, fold from the hips. Feel every movement along the way. Bend your knees. You can let your arms hang heavy or hold onto your elbows. Just feeling a nice stretch through the back of your legs, through your spine. Almost like every single worry or stress could just pour out of the crown of your head. We are letting it go. One last time, let's come all the way up. Inhale, circle your arms wide. Interlace the palms, flip them up. Stretch up, little back bend here. And exhale, fold forward, ragdoll, hold the elbows or place the palms on the ground. Really aware of the crown chakra. And let's take a cleansing breath. Inhale through the nose and exhale out to the mouth. Bend your knees even more just so that you can widen your feet towards the edges of your mat. They don't need to go all the way, but give yourself a nice wide stance here and we'll come into a functional forward fold. So I want you to stretch your arms out in the front of you as far as you possibly can. Get them up onto your fingertips and at the same time rock all of your weight back onto your heels and lean your hips back. All of the weight is in my heels and stretch out even longer through your spine. Keep your biceps along your ears. One more breath here and walk your hands back and release. Melt the crown of your head down. I like to turn my head like I'm making a no, just releasing through the jaw, through the facial muscles. And we are going to come into Malasana, our squat. Just bring your feet a little closer together, hip width distance apart. Heels in, toes out, and let yourself come down here into Malasana. Use the elbows to push your knees open. Press your shoulders down and away from your ears. And as you lift the crown of your head up, feel that shift in energy. So we had the energy going from the base of our spine all the way up to the crown of our head. And now it's going from the crown of the head all the way down to the base of the spine and up again. Continue breathing. And let's release. We are going to set ourselves up for rabbit pose in Vajrasana. So you can have your knees together, pointing your toes back, grab a hold of the back of your feet. And you're going to bring the crown, so first the forehead, and then you're going to rock on to the crown of your head, stretching all along your spine. Hips are a little lifted up, and there's really not too much of weight on your head here. I am connected. I am divinely guided. All is well. I am safe. Connecting to your own wisdom. And bring your hips back down to your heels. Let's place our hands out in front of us. We'll come into Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Heels are touching the ground as much as possible. Keep bringing the chest towards the knees. Stretch it all out. Relaxing your head, relaxing your knees a little. And we are just going to step our right foot forward to the top of the mat. Let your back knee come down into Ashwa Sanchalan. To inhale, lift your chin up towards the sky. And as you exhale, tuck your chin into your chest. Step back, downward facing dog. Same thing to the other side, low lunge. Left foot to the top of the mat, back knee comes down, Ashwa Sanchalan. Inhale, lift your chin up, stretch. Exhale, tuck your chin down. Final downward facing dog. And bring your knees gently down to the mat. Sit back onto your heels in Vajrasana. And we are going to interlace our fingers and bring them behind, just kind of to support right at the base of your skull here and at the top of your neck. And you can scoop your elbows forward and upwards. Think of lifting up and find a little back bend, but letting your head be supported here. So opening through your heart. Big breath in. And release. Just bring your hands onto your lap, one over the other, and tuck your chin to your chest. Maybe let your spine round a little. Lifting all the way up. I'm just going to turn to face over towards you. Keep your eyes closed here and bring all of your awareness to the crown of your head. Join your hands together into Namaste at the top of your head. And as you exhale, bring them down in front of the heart region, the Anjali Mudra. And relax the palms on the knees facing the sky. See if you can visualize this crown chakra. Become aware of the bright white light, the divine light which is in all of us as us. How can you use the wisdom of this energetic center throughout your day to set your intention for the day? Let us breathe in for an Om chant here. Namaste. Thank you for joining me today. Jai Gurudev.